So in this Wealthsimple Trade tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to invest in water here on Wealthsimple Trade. So once Wealthsimple Trade is opened up, and if you guys actually haven't created an account, you can go ahead here, and if you want, you can use my referral link by using this link when you sign up. You get some free money, I get some free money, and you also are entered to win a potential home. So that's kind of cool there. But once you're on this page, go to the bottom left, press on the magnifying glass icon. Then in the top, I want you to type in ticker symbol CWW and then press on this. Now, this is the BlackRock iShares Global Water Index ETF. There's some other ETFs as well that trade, commodities in regards to water. But once you're on this page, go to the bottom left, select the account you want to buy this in. So for me, I can select whatever account. I'll just select my non-registered as an example, and then press on buy in the bottom right. On this page, you can type in the amount of shares you want to buy. So if I wanted to buy one share, that's how much it'll cost. Or if you want a fractional buy, $10, for example, in this case would be this many shares. If you want to proceed, go ahead and press on review. Now on this page, you can review the order or review the purchase, I guess, and if all looks good, you want to proceed. Go to the bottom, press on Q order or press on buy, and then proceed this way with the transaction. So that is how you guys can invest in water here on Wealthsimple Trade. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.